Hey everyone, we're going to quick do a lesson on tuning your ukulele. We're going to show you on the website the resources that are available to you at all times, as well as a great app that you can purchase. There are many great apps out there. I happen to have Clear Tune and it does a great job. Here are the things that you have to remember when tuning any string instrument. Always go a little at a time. You don't want to just crank on your tuning pegs, okay? Just I didn't even turn it the entire one rotation. That was only half a rotation, okay? And we always scoop up, okay? So here are the rules. 1, move your tuner just tiny bits at a time. 2, never tune down, tune up. So if you're trying to tune an A and you're above it, first lower your string below the A and then tune back up to it. It'll most likely hold the pitch better. And then don't forget, the one closest to the floor is your A. The next one, second string, is your E. And third string is your low note, your C. And the one that's closest to your face is your G. The great thing is the apps or the websites that I am suggesting to you give you the notes, show you the notes on which strings that you should be tuning to, and should give you some help. So here we go. So if you click on the fourth grade website and scroll down to the ukulele section, you will see we have added a tuning section under Performance at Ukulele Free Tuner. This is where the video is going to go pretty soon when we're done recording it. And here are some links. There are 2 options to think of. If it says no mic, that means it gives you a pitch and you use your ear to tune it. This online tuner, you do need to enable your mic. So you need to allow Safari or Chrome or Firefox to access your microphone. The other thing I'd like to suggest is using a purchased app. You can usually get them from anywhere between $3 to $5, and you'll always have them on all of your devices. I'm going to be using ClearTune in this video. So the first one we're going to do is the one where you enable the microphone. And I already have the tab open, so we're going to go here, turn on the tuner. If you haven't already allowed access, it's going to ask for access. So now when I play my A string, which is your first string, to the left is flat, okay? Now I'm going to turn that peg slowly. And I went too far. So it's nice because you don't have to really know where you're going. You just follow. And now I went too far to the left or too flat. And there we go. You always want to scoop up to the note. So if you've passed it, you don't want to tune down. You want to go below that note and then go up to that note. Both the uke chord and Fender apps are the same premise. You play the note. So right now I'm listening to that. And I'm trying to match that pitch. And now I went too far, you can tell that it's worse. Okay. You can also here turn it to a beep, if that's easier for you, and turn off the repeat. The other one is the Fender app, which is the same premise. And you can turn on the loop, and this gives you your notes. I like this sound a little bit better. You can tell that it's a little bit more realistic. So I'm too low, and I'll pop the screen up, the visual up for you. So I'm going to slowly scoop up to it. There's my A. Here's my E. So now I'm slightly, not much, I'm slightly above the E. So I'm going to go lower. I'm going to go past it. And now I'm going to go to C. Way too high.